Apple gift cards that show already used usually mean the code has already been redeemed, the balance is connected to another Apple account, or there is an issue with the gift card purchase information. By the end of this video, you'll know how to check why an Apple gift card says it was already used, and what steps to take next. Start by checking your Apple account balance. Open the App Store, tap your profile icon, and check your account balance to see if the gift card funds were already added. If the balance is there, the gift card was likely redeemed successfully. Apple gift cards are linked to the Apple account where the code was first claimed. Next, confirm that you are using the correct Apple account. Many people have more than one Apple account, and a redeemed gift card may be attached to a different account than the one currently signed in. Sign out only if you know your Apple account details, then sign back in with any other Apple account you may have used when redeeming the gift card. If someone gave you the gift card, ask them whether the code was already redeemed before they shared it with you. A redeemed Apple gift card code cannot be added again. If you purchased the gift card yourself, check your receipt, email confirmation, or purchase history. Keep these details, because Apple support may ask for proof of purchase. If the code was entered incorrectly, try entering it again carefully. Check for characters that can look similar, such as letters and numbers printed on the card. If Apple still says the gift card was already used and you did not redeem it, contact Apple support. Provide the gift card information, receipt, purchase details, and the exact message you see when trying to redeem it. Apple can review the gift card status and help determine whether it was redeemed, activated correctly, or requires further investigation. Do not share your Apple gift card code with anyone online. A valid, unused code can be redeemed by anyone who has access to it. If the gift card came from a retailer, keep the store receipt, because the retailer may need to verify the purchase or activation. To recap, check your Apple account balance, verify the correct account, review your receipt, and contact Apple support if the gift card was used without your permission. Your next step is to check your Apple account balance first, because the gift card may already be attached to your account. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other Apple troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.